Today we're going to change the oil on a 2013 Hyundai Genesis 2.0 Turbo. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and open up the oil cap. Next step we're going to do is going to go ahead and lift up the vehicle and put it with a jack stand. There's the jack stand. Alright, we're going to be using a size 17mm socket to remove the bolt from here. And then I have this oil filter wrench to remove the oil filter. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this open first. Alright, and here we are. Just have your oil pan ready to catch all the excessive oil that's going to shoot out. Alright, so I went ahead and cleaned off this bolt and it's pretty much done. Let's go ahead and cap it back into place. Right up there. Alright, let's go ahead and tie this down with our 17mm. Not too tight, just want to make sure it's nice and secured. Perfect. And using this filter wrench tool, I'm going to go ahead and remove the filter from here. Once you have it loose, just go ahead and remove the filter. Let that drain into the pan. And then remove it completely. And we'll get ready to install the new one. Alright, we're going to grab a little bit of the new oil and just rub it all around the filter. I want to make sure the old gasket came out. And it did. Sweet. So let's go ahead and install the new filter back into its location. Let's go ahead and hand tighten this. Alright. And then we'll get this oil out and drop the vehicle. Alright, now we're going to add all the oil to the motor. Alright, and there it is. Let's go ahead and remove this funnel. And let's go ahead and cap it off. And what I like to do is put the funnel into the old container that we just used, or the new container we just used, to throw the old oil into it and take that to the recycling center. But that is how you do an oil change on a 2013 Hyundai Genesis 2.0 Turbo. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.